ubaba uye washona kuqala, kwashona ubaba mncane, wasala ugogo. So mina yimi umzukulu omdala, kodwa
Yes.
ubaba zange aphethe izinto zethu zizonke, yabona.
Yeah.
Ngisawela njengomntana kamalume, kodwa eh 6 years back mangibuye ekhaya, ngingabuya sengihlala nogogo, nginakekela ugogo makashona, ushona ngikhona eduze, yabona.
Yes.
Manje kuney'nkinga between uma nomntana kithi, and then like kunezinto nje eziningi nje abazenzayo, to such an extent that khona manje ngigcine sengiyikhipha mina kufamily, ngoba bafuna ukuyenza imisebenzi ngapha. Njengoba ngishilo ngithi kabo baba azange senzelwe izinto, ubaba noma azange bashade, kodwa uma nosesi bayenza imisebenzi la endlini kagogo. Ngoba mina gogo makashona kuye kwacelwa abantu abadala bathi uzuhlala ekhaya endlini kagogo, nanoma kungenziwanga izinto kufanele uze wena. Ngavuma, noma angamcela wavuma. Manje into engixakayo ukuthi kaningi usisi lo bekazwana nobaba ngasikhathi amakazoshona. I think bewazwana about 10 years. Nosisi lo. Usisi kaningi uhlale ephupha ubaba nogogo, kodwa mina ugogo nobaba angibaphuphi mina.
Right.
So understand, like ngiba frustrated ukuthi uzangitshela ukuthi hayi kufanele uhambe uyobona ubaba wakho emathuneni, and I'm like, but why baza kuwe? Mina abazi kimi, and ngasikhathi leso useKimberley abazi kimi. La endlini kuloku yenziwa imisebenzi left right and center, umamami nomntana kithi. Mangikhuluma ukuthi akufanelanga senze imisebenzi lana, nyalwiswa to such an extent that umsebenzi boyenziwe nini last month. Ngayabona kahle ngathi mina hayi angisazi ngeni, ngathatha umthwalo wami, ngathatha nomntanami gogo, ngasihambela ngayohlala iviki nomntanami kumngani wami, ngabashiya nendlu kagogo. Uyangihleka ugogo.
Manje wena sisi, lo sisi njalo umamncane wakho kahle kahle. Manje wena sisi, wasuphupha abazali bami mina ngingabaphuphi, kwenze njani?
Ubaba nogogo ngiyazi ukuthi bebamthanda, ngiyayisisa leso lenyanga.
Ukulungisa izinto ey'ningi kangaka wesisi. Wena uhlanganaphi? Uhlalaphi yena usisi?
UseKimberley.
Sengisho ukuthi umuzi kabani loyo?
No, uhlala kubo, azange bashade. Ubaba ngathi bekeyimisela ukumshada, kodwa azange amshade.
Awu Nkosi yami.
Makazi ubaba wamdutshubula.
Okokuqala nje ngizothi iy'nhlanzeko zabantu abangasekho nokudila nabantu abangasekho abafikayo kuwena nabangafiki ngey'zathu ey'thile ney'thile, kunenhlanzeko laphaya ku-YouTube. Inkulu leya nhlanzeko ngoba iqoqa bonke abantu abangasekho ngandlela leyo abahamba ngayo, ngandlela leyo eyabasitheza, ndlela leyo eyenza ukuthi bangasondeli eduze kwakho bezokhuluma straight nawe, ndlela leyo abavinjwe ngayo mhlawumbe ukuthi bakhululeke baye kwabalele, bahambe bayohlangana nabalele, bebuye ngoba bezovizitha kuwe. Leyo nhlanzeko ikhona ka-316 eggs ku-YouTube. YouTube is @Sangomanene. Uma inhlanzeko ikhona yokuhlambulula abalele, uma ngabe impilo yakho ihlangahlangene, khona enjalo ithi impilo yakho ihlangahlangene, awazi ukuthi yini. Zonke izizwe zakini-ke leyo-ke, yonke inhlobo yabantu abangasekho ihlambulule ukuvula indlela. Then bese kuba khona le yokuhlambulula wethule abantu abashone phezu kwakho noma abashone ukhona njalo njalo. It's 2 or 3 videos ezikhuluma ngabantu abangasekho nokudila nesimo sabantu abangasekho nokuhlambulula bona njalo njalo. Le yakho-ke indaba number 1, usisi osehlale for 10 years nendoda, laba abasemndenini wendoda, intombi iyabizwa lesikhathi kushona isoka layo. Intombi izogezwa, intombi nje eyaziwayo ekhaya iyenzelwa umsebenzi wokuthi igezwe, bezwa yini? So khona leso sikweletu-ke eninaso nina enizalwa ubaba wenu ukuthi nihlambulule intombi kababa, uyabona. number one.
Mm.
Number two, wena ohlale nogogo, wahlala leso sikhathi leso, ugogo washona wena usekhaya njalo njalo. Kufanele ugezwe wethulwe ugogo isithunzi sakhe sokushona kuwe ngoba ubusondelene naye. Umhlambulule umethule ugogo njengoba umuntu esuke ethula umuntu okuzalayo uyagezwa umuntu okuzalayo uyahlanjululwa yena ukufa kwakhe esuswe kuwe ethule kuwena yezwa.
Yebo
Then
gogo.
number three, la ohlezi khona kwagogo, lapho kwagogo kuchaza ukuthi lapho kahle kahle kukwamkhulu, ukusho ukuthi kuyikhaya likamkhulu wakho, akusilo ikhaya likababa wakho.
Cha, bekanganani.
Yes, uma uthi wena futhi ubaba nomama abazange begcace beqhoyiswe beqedele ukuhlanganisa idalwa zabo, lokho kusho ukuthi wena usana leso sikweletu sokuhlanganisa idlozi likababa nomama nedalwa zakubo zihlanganiswe, kukhokhwe lezi ikweletu zenhlawulo njalo njalo. Ikhona-ke futhi ivideo ethi laphana i-title yaleyo video ku-YouTube ithi uzalwe ungumlanjwana na. Leyo-ke iyona-ke ezokusiza uhlanganise idalwa zakwamama nobaba bese uphinde uhlanganisa imimoya yakomama uyihlanganise kobaba. Ivideo nje iyodwa inalezi ekhokha iy'nhlawulo nesikweletu nani nani, bese kuba ehlanganisa amadlozi, bese kuba inhlanzeko elokhuzayo ehlanganisa imimoya kamama iyozoyihlanganisa kubaba. Yes. So wena lungisa ezakho izinto ebese usunxusa-ke usisi mama omncane ukuthi ucela yena eze kwagogo ezohlanjululwa ukuthi kwahamba umyeni wakhe noma insizwa yakhe isoka lakhe. Leyo nhlambuluko kodwa akeke yenzele entabeni noma yenzele emzini wakhe, kufuneke yenzelwe kubo kwababa la wena ohlezi khona. Uma ngabe kuwukuthi uyathanda wena ukuthi umenzele lolo siko lolo kodwa lona lwalifanele lwenziwe abakubo kwababa, bageze intombi yakhe bayethule isithunzi sokufa. Ikanjalo nje lento.
Okay. Hey, okay gogo, ngiyakuzwa, ngiyabonga ngokungihlaziyela kancane. Ngizayo ngiyobheka nalawo mavidiyo lawo.
Yeah.
Ngizithuthukise ngizwisise kahle ukuthi ini yini, and then ngoba yena makuba mangabi right usisi ngathi uphupha ubaba, then nini uyangichecka. Hey, inokuthi nje.
No, wena mtshela ukuthi isimo sokuphupha ubaba ngenzeka ukuthi into eyakhe ifuna ukuthi ahlanjululwe ethulwe yena ubaba, ngenzeka ukuthi unaleyo nkinga ngoba uhlalile isikhathi eside nobaba. Manje ukuhlala isikhathi eside behlanganisa iy'nsila zabo, mlayele kuyona ivideo laphana, ikhona ivideo yokwethula umuntu ongasekho umethula kuwena. Leyo video-ke sebenzisa noma yinini noma wena uyibheke bese umthumela i-link uzokwazi ukuthi azenzele yena ekhaya ngamaqanda ukwethula ubaba, ngoba ubaba kufuneke lokho emlandela naye, ngoba naye kufuneke phela aqale yakhe impilo, angabe lokhu ehlupha usisi.
Usakhala namanje usisi, unokuthi amkhumbule angifone, yiko ngithi mina ngazi kwa
Ya manje wena ngeke uphenduke ube ubaba.
Ngizazibheka gogo, ngiyabonga kakhulu, kodwa ngibuye kugogo futhi ngiyabonga ngokungikhanyisela nokungifundisa
kulento le
ku-profile
kwi-bio.
Alright, ngiyabonga kakhulu gogo.
Alright.
Alright, ngibonge kakhulu gogo. Ube nosiseke kwande makukhanye kube kuhle kulondlobale.
Lokoza leserihanya kwashaba esuku.
Lesedikganya.
Ngiyabonga.
Ke a leboha haholo hle ntate nkgono wa ka ke a leboha hle. Le Sesotho ke a di bua mme ke yena Mosotho. Empa ke a leboha.
Ngiyaleboga nami. Okay, ubani okhona Monica.
Yebo sisi
Sikhona ninjani nina?
ngaphila mina Eswatini.
Aw, unjani ke Mnguni?
Nkosi Dlamini.
Kanti usebukhosini vele futhi.
Yebo ngisebukhosini vele ngitalwe emphakathi.
Siyathokoza sibinga amakhosi.
Thokoza.
Thokoza ukubonana.
Hey ngikhala ngesinanjana sami nami gogo ngiyabeva nje abachacha. Mina ngiyadideka ukuthi lokwami ngihlambulula njani ngoba libapho ukuthi angiye emanzini. Bathi manje la kungathi sekufuna kuvela lesi sabogogo kunalesi sekukholwa funa kuvela kuthiwa simo sani simo lesokuthokoza kuthiwa yini gogo
Isithunywa angazi phela kuwe bathini?
bathi ngathi kufuna kuvela lesebudloti kuthiwa yini semndzawe yini indzawo kuyini inzuzu kufuna kuvela bathi kuyinzuzu.
Hayi ke mina eyami intwaso engiyaziyo ngeke ngikhulume ngamanye amaziko. Eyami intwaso angeke ngazi ukuthi le ehlanganisa inzunza namanzi nema-mermaid njalo anginalo ulwanhlobo leyo nhlobo yentwaso nje angiyazi. Ngeke ngize ngithi khona la engingakhuluma khona ngalezo zinto. Imoya yasemanzini sengisho ke isiziba noma impophoma.
Mpophoma basithi angiye empophomeni.
Nemoya yasolwandle. Uma kufuneka ukuthi uyongena kuleyo moya leyo suke sikhuluma ngemimoya. Uma sesikhuluma ngenzuza nemdawo nemdiki abantu labo idalwa lezo ezifuna ukuthi ubuyele la odabuka khona mabadabuka bona phansi kwamanzi sebefuna ukuthi ke uhlambulule njani. Intwaso yomuntu leyo owazi ukuthwasisa abantu abaqhamuka emanzini idalwa zabo ezadabuka emanzini. La uma ngabe kukhulunywa umoya womndawo nomdiki nomoya wesithunywa lezo ke singakhuluma ke ngalezo ke ngoba zihambisana
umoya wesithunywa lele nginawo umoya wesithunywa kuthitwe funa ngithike amakhandlela abe-7 elilade limhlophe bese ngiya empophoma bafuna kuqubula lesithunywa.
Umoya uyawubona umoya awuvulwa ngomuthi. Amanzi awumuthi isihlahla siwumuthi. Wena uma ngabe ufuneke uvule umoya wesithunywa umoya akusiyona okwazi ukuyithela ngamanzi bese iyasila noma bese iyavuka noma iyakhuphuka. Umoya oxhumanisa wena noJehova noma uNkulunkulu noma umdali loyo umoya akusiyona isihlahla noma umuntu noma ilokhuzana isembatho noma body of water umoya nje. So
Yes.
wena ngabe isithunywa sakho sivaliwe noma sivalekile,
Mm.
umuntu owazi ukusivula umoya uvulwe, ucace ukuthi sivalwe yini isithunywa, lo moya wesithunywa awungeni ngani kahle kuwe, hhayi ukuthi uzogezwa umfula noma ugezwe ulwandle noma ugezwe isiziba noma ugezwe ukubopha ibhande uhambe uyohayikha entabeni. Lo usuke wenza lezo zinto usacinga, usafuna,
Yes.
usafukuza, usafuna ukuthi ufuna indlela yokuvula lo moya okuwe ngaphakathi. Usuhamba uyohlala entabeni-ke manje uyolalela uNkulunkulu wakho entabeni ukuthi uthini, yabona? Uma ungakhoni ukumuzwa uhlezi endlini-ke uyahamba-ke uyolalela isithunywa sakho la kukhwayethi khona, ngabe kusolwandle, ngabe kusempuphumeni, ngabe kusemfuleni, ngabe phakathi kwemvelo lapho. Kuchaza ukuthini lokho? Kuchaza ukuthi awukavuleki umoya, ufuna indlela wena, ufuna ikhambi lokuwuvula umoya.
Yes. So simne ngisafuna kowuvula gogo.
Awuvulwa-ke entabeni. Awuvulwa kusolwandle nasemfuleni nasezibeni nasey'mpuphumeni.
Yes.
Lo moya lo uvulwa ngenyongo negobongo layo.
Okay. Inyongo yani ke gogo? Yembuzi.
Okay, wena ufuna ilokhuzana i-manual kimi ukuthi-ke ngikunikeze mina ukuthi number 1 vula kanje uvule kanjena. Mina njengoba ungibona nje. Ungibona ukuthi ngifanele ukuthi mina ngihambe ngifunza abantu ukuthi-ke nansi-ke isithunywa-ke kufuneka usivule ngembuzi bese usiqaqa. Lalela wena imfundiso, hhayi ukuthi bese usuthi kimi kufuneke manje ngilokhuze ngabe ngiyagula phela.
Ngiyabona gogo.
Sibone umsebenzi engingamane nje ngiwupose ngo-live ku-TikTok ukuthi wena
Nkosi yami.
hawu. Mina ngikuchazela ukuze ubone ukuthi lento oyitsheliwe ubese uyidecide-ela wena ukuthi utshelwe into kuyiyo noma akusiyo. Hhayi ukuthi sekufuneke ngikunikeze ibhuku lokuthi nansi-ke uyenza kanjena, hamba uyovula kanje cha. Angeke ngeminithi la ku-TikTok.
Ngiyabona gogo.
Yeah.
Akevakala.
Ya, uma ngabe ngesintu-ke angaze swazini, kodwa uma ufuna umsebenzi weziko elithile noma ngabe usabantu noma ngabe umuntu, ufuneke wazi ukuthi umsebenzi ukhishwa inkomo yawo bese-ke uthola ikhambi. Awukwazi ukuhamba ukhangeza nje ukhangezela ukuthi abantu bazokunikeza ama-recipe okwenza umsebenzi ngoba basuke bekhipha iy'nkomo nabo ukuthola lolu lwazi. Basuke bekhipha igazi nemjuluko besebenza befundela umsebenzi wabo. Angeke-ke ukuthi wena ungafika usukhangeza ngendlebe ukuthi manje ungakhiphe inkomo. Wena ngeke uze ungihloniphe uma ngenza lokho.
Kuyevakala gogo ukuthi inkinga. Inhlonipho embili eSwatini lesihambisako thina siyahlonipha vele. Ngiyabona gogo. Akevakala muntu omdala.
Ngivalele lapho ngoba ngizwa ne-TV emva kwakho. Thokoza Makhosi, ubani ongenile? Angibange ngisabona kahle ukuthi angibingelele uYozi no-Strong Woman. Ngibonge Strong Woman And thank you so much. God bless you, Ivan. Thank you for the blessings. Yebo, ngenani bafowethu khulumani ngizwe. Hello. Makosi Mabusi, no strong woman. Strong woman muthi angiyazi into enje. Nathi asiyazi. Yabona nje uTikTok wasigila ngempela uTikTok. Ngoba wakhipha yonke inhlonipho yesintu nje yavele ngasi bayitshengapha abantu isintu nje sokwazi ukuthi umsebenzi uphathwa kanjani. Khuluma phela mfowethu osungene uthini? Hayi akekho la lo muntu lo. Lapho kulowo mzuzu mina angazi ukuthi ulindeni kufuneka ngimkhiphe kanjani ngoba akasakhulumi. Charity, go ahead please. Charity. Hola 99 bani 9009. Emakhosini ma-art. Kunjani ma-art? Laba abantu abawu-2 abangenile la kulokhuzana bazokhuluma noma balele? Hayi-ke asivalelise-ke bangani. Kusho ukuthi sengingathatha eminye imibuzo-ke noma amanye ama-request ngoba kusavulekile. Sorry, angikwazanga ukuthi ngikhiphe umsebenzi ngale ndlela le ngoba manje ukhona lo msebenzi encwadini engiyibhalile ebizwa ngakho ukuthi isithunywa. It's 550 pages echaza ngesithunywa, echaza futhi ngakho ukuthi isithunywa sinokusidida ukuthi siyini kahle kahle. Ingakho-ke sihambe siqhaqhazela emakhazeni, sifakwa emanzini, sishuthekwa lapha nalapha empophomeni ngoba manje ukukhuphula isithunywa, ukuvula ama-valve kahle kahle akusikona ukuyokwelashwa ngendlela yokuthi mhlawumbe uyothatha into engaphandle uyilethe uyibuyisele ekhaya uyimisele iy'lada. Isithunywa into ukuvula isithunywa ukuhlambulula izinto ezisivimbile isithunywa ngoba isithunywa umoya ovele uxhuma wena nomdali, uvele uwumoya kuwena. So uma unenkinga umoya wesithunywa ukuthi ubhoboke, usebenze, ukhulume, uphefumule kuwena, kusuke kusho ukuthi kukhona into ekhona evimbe eyisithunzi edala ukuthi isithunywa sakho singezwakali kuwe, isithunywa sakho futhi singaphefumuli umsebenzi esiwuthunywayo kuwena. Ngizoyichaza nje ibe straightforward kanjalo. Akusiyona into oyilandayo somewhere else. Akusiyona futhi into efuna ukulokhu ifunzwa amalada, ama-altara nokudla njalo. Iy'lada noma iy'lati, whatever, whichever direction you pronounce it. Iy'lada is isizulufying the altar. So-ke laba abakholelwa ukuthi isithunywa into yasesontweni, into yamakhandlela, into yamanzi, into yomthandazo, yilabo-ke abayokutshela-ke ngendaba yani yelada, which is an altar. Yinto leyo edevelophe emva kokuthi abantu abamnyama sebedibana nenkolo yabelungu, sebefihla isintu nendlela yokwelapha yesintu phansi kweBhayibheli nezinto zesilungu nenkolo yesilungu, and then esikhundleni sokuthi babize ngesigodlo sebebiza bona nge-altare. I-altare is an altar. Sebebiza bona ngani? Ngelata. Zulifying. It's a Zulifying of the altar. Thina-ke ngesintu asinawo ama-altar. Asinayo i-altare, asinalo ilata. Asinawo amakhandlela, asinayo ilokhuzana amanzi ama-holy waters. Asinazo lezo zinto, sinemvelo. Sinemvelo nje straight. Imvelo, it's either amanzi, amatshe, zihlahla, umlilo, yabona, ilokhuza, ukhuni, udaka, impepho, izinto eziyimvelo. It's either natural plants, natural bodies of water, natural representation of creation as a whole. It's at our fingertips. So lama translations lawa eseniba nawo ngokuthi manje you are trying to make something what it is not. Kahle kahle nje umoya wokwelapha, umoya wendabuko wokwelapha, umoya nje wendabuko wokwelapha. So it's either when you follow it ngesintu or you follow it ngesi westernization, Eurocentric, religious, whatever it is. That is at your own peril. Lokho mangabe when you need to translate something into ukusindiswa and so on and so forth. But kahle kahle umoya womdali ungena kuwena ngesithunywa, njengoba igama lisho nje, isithunywa, umoya othunywe umdali usebenza kuwena. Nakuwe futhi uyahamba uye kumdali, usuka kuwe uthunywa uwe. It's an in-between electrical current that goes between you and your creator. Isithunywa nje ileso. So umuntu othi uyokuvusela isithunywa kuphi njani, that is a new concept. Naye mhlambe uyazi ukuthi what system that is, where it comes from, and so on and so forth. Isithunywa akaze sibe i-mermaid, asikaze futhi sibe umkhulu othile, asikaze sibe an entity of any kind. Asiyona like a biological thing ongayilanda elokhuzeni emanzini. It's a spirit, energy, vibration that travels between you and your creator. Isithunywa ileyo-ke nje. Akukuningi mayelana nesithunywa, kodwa isithunywa uma ngabe sivalelekile, that is when wena udinga-ke ukwelashwa, so that isithunywa sakho sikwazi ukuphila kuwe, sizinze kuwe, sisebenze kuwena through your intuition, through the vessel of your body. Uthi-ke uma athi, so what we do ehlani emanzini in the caves is all fake. No, it's not all fake. Those are just meditations. Those are just meditations. And those are just ways to connect. Ways to connect. Kodwa nakhona emanzini or ehlane, if vele uvalelekile, isithunywa sakho sivalwe amathunzi athile, nezidalwa ezithila, nezinto ezithile zamasiko, isithunywa sakho lo moya lo ma ungaconnect futhi ungatoliki kahle wena through yourself, uyofika lapho ehlane, ufike lapho emanzini, ufike ujuluka igazi nje, uthandaza, wenza ini ungatholi lutho, because awelashiwe inkinga nama-customs ofanele uwenze. Ngoba if those customs are done, if lezo nhlambuluko and lokho ugeza abantu abafile, ugeza ama-terminated pregnancies, wageza zonke lezi zinto lezo, vele isithunywa sakho sikhona, but awusizwa naso futhi it does not transmit, because kune-blockage in your vibration, in your aura, kubantu bakho, kubantu abadala, or edlozini lakho kune-trauma, kunani. Isithunywa-ke sifuna vele a clean vessel nje. Ngisho ngaye empuhumeni uzube grey, akho lutho ozolithola nginamakhehla amadala asengabafundisi nani ekade babelokhu benza amaladi beyongena ey'mpophomeni bekhishwa bephuma bengena ey'lwandle sebebadala bakhulile manje bakhala kimi ukuthi kade kwasa sifuhlelwa ngapha nangapha isithunywa sami siphakeme sinenhlanhla sishaya umlozi sinjanjani kodwa angikutholi ukukhululeka nokuphumula angazi kufanele ngenze njani. Is because i-understanding of what is isithunywa sicabanga ukuthi thina ukuhamba isonto ukuhlabelela igospel ukuhamba ugijima ehlane uhamba phansi kwey'mpophoma njani kanti that is only ngizothi a therapy, a certain kind of therapy, but ayisivuli isithunywa ayisihlambululi futhi isithunywa. Isithunywa umoya nje okhona. It's wena and your vessel odala ukuthi singa-connect or disconnect ungasizwa noma sona futhi singayithathi imilayezo yakho sihambise kumdali wakho. It's a blockage is with you and your biology and you and your traumas and all the things that are in the way. Uthola ukuthi manje isithunywa sakho siyithulele nje asizwa lutho because you are sitting odakeni because you think the church is what is going to take you out of udaka, but usiko oluzokhipha odakeni, inhlambuluko elizokhipha odakeni. Manje ngoba ke umuntu usindisiwe and takes everything according to the Bible. The Bible doesn't have inhlambuluko zelokhuzana zokuhlambulula amasiko akini angenzwanga, iy'dalwa zakini ezashonayo. They don't even recognize ukuthi khona isidingo salokho. They don't have issues with those things. And that's the problem with translating isithunywa in like I'm a prophet all of a sudden. No, that's not isithunywa. Uthini uma athi?
Emakhosini.
Ulalile kodwa.
Not much, not that much, but I got time to rest. I want to say good evening to all your viewers and Emakhosini, Gogo. I was thinking about the church, you see, because there's this thing at the churches that they call it secheso. Angazi ukuthi bayibizani. Secheso.
Isidliso.
Secheso. There's a burnt offering. A burnt offering.
Oh, it's shiso.
Yes. And I recently discovered during that isichiso, whether you know it willingly or unwillingly, is they kind of merge your angels with the angels of the pastors in the church, right? And I was thinking, is that maybe that's why some of us are struggling with ukukhuphula isithunywa sethu, because there was some stealing of our guardian angels there at church that we did not know about.
There are many reasons why umthandazo yenu ayitoligi, and I deal with that fully in the book Isithunywa. And really, if you're anybody who's anywhere trying to be on any journey spiritually, le ncwadi le must be your handy book, your manual, your everything. But just to answer it for people here, umoya uzothini Nkosi yami Jesu? Ngendlela esidalwe ngayo. Ngikhuluma not black people, not African people, not Chinese, not white, not whatever, just in indlela. And I know this topic so well because ubungoma is to doctor the soul. Ubungoma is about spiritual engineering and spiritual doctors. So I've been preoccupied naleyo nto ever since I started my journey, which is 30 years ago now. One thing I know is that umoya is part of who you are. Lento sithi thina idlozi. Lento abayibiza ngokuthini in clear English is the soul. In science English, it's called the psyche. They call it the psyche. Thina sikubiza lokho ngedlozi. It's the present but invisible part of every living species. Lelo dlozi lelo linikeziwe intambo exhumanisa leli dlozi nomdali, the main engineer, the main creator of lelo dlozi elikuwena. There is a thread connecting wena as idlozi, not wena as inyama. Thread connects wena as idlozi that is incarnated emzimbeni lo. That thread is a deliberate connector between yourself as a soul and the soul that created you. It's so that you're not alone out there in the incarnation that you are living, three-dimensional earth plane. Umdali wakho is navigating ngayo le ntambo le, ngawo lo moya lo okuthiwa yini isithunywa, isenkusha, umgijimi kahle kahle. Lo moya umgijimi odaliwe nje. We're nothing to do with your parents, has nothing to do with your society, has nothing to do with the church or the school or any kind of physical earthly thing. It's just how creation is made. Creation was made by the creator in energy form and in physical form. And it created the soul, and it has a connector that connects the soul so that it can continue to drive the soul. So the driver is umdali, and the asha or the thread is thunywa, and then the actual vehicle is your soul. So somebody has to connect umdali with the soul. Somebody has to connect the two. When as a physical body, you are embodying the soul. And the soul is driven by umdali. Between umdali and the soul is this thunywa. When as a physical person, unemgudu from the crown of your head down to the bottom of your feet. Unemgudu ehamba ingena idlozi lakho liphefumula kuleyo mgudu leyo. Nalo idlozi lakho through the body. Umzimba is not just density. Umzimba has ventilation, if you want. These ventilations allow umoya to come through according to the stage of loyo moya, according to the color, the type of moya. So in the lower parts of your body, the ventilation is very different to how much of the soul is uphefumula in the lower parts. In the lower parts, uphefumula in terms of leyo kuthiwa umdawo nomdiki, leyo kuthiwa isithunywa in the actual body. Intuition, the gut instinct, imaphi amanye amagama esingisi siwasebenzisayo. La imoya ephefumula ngesingezansi, imoya engenamehlo. Imoya, just our feelings and nuances, and instinct is another one. Instinct, intuition, gut feelings. Lezo zinto lezo izinto eziphefumula ngesingezansi. That's how your isithunywa comes through the lower parts of your body. Usayisithunywa sona, but wena ngendlela osizwa ngayo ngesingezansi you just uzwa ngokuthi the hairs on your skin will rise, say a gut instinct leyo. It means khona into engiyizwayo but angiyiboni futhi angiyizwa emadlebeni ami ukuthi ithini iyini, kodwa ngizwa ngomzimba ubila ukuthi there's a danger out there. That is a natural state of creation that allows isithunywa to communicate through the physical entity that is your physical being, right? Those are the lower. Mawusuza la in the middle section, isithunywa sakho through the body has different ventilation. Layer ventilation has to do with my feelings, your empathy, your feeling ukuthi you are open and you're empathic to other people's feelings, or you kind of, when you meet someone, you get a sense of, you feel sad for them, or that is your intuition communicating different things that you're either perceiving from the outside or that are coming from yourself, the inside. That ventilation is a different kind of ventilation because it communicates through the heart, it communicates through your breathing, your lungs, it affects your respiratories, it affects how you breathe, it affects how you take in breath, how you give out breath. It affects how you pump the blood, what is your palpitations and the gijimagwekazi. Though that is a different communication from isithunywa. You are translating through a different part and stage of your anatomy. Then guzela in the throat and in the nose and in the eyes and ears. Masegula la isithunywa esesikhuluma khona. Kuvulekile futhi ku-right. That is when uzobe when you perceive something or something presents itself, uzogijima imlayezo ikhulume kuwena endlebeni ukuthi yabona lana ke lesi simo lesigijima lo muntu lona ukanje. It's a quick visual, because it's communicator in this aspect of your from here up. So you see visuals, pictures, go through your head, and you will hear audio, which are telepathic messages. You will also kind of have things that you are kind of smelling, or it's a whole communication that has visuals and audio and other things to bring together the exact message that you need to be getting. But it depends, obviously, on whether wena as a vessel uvuliwe wavulelega in all the different channels ekwazi transmitter isithunywa. So if for example uvulekile ngesingenhla, your third eye is open and all of this, and whenever you encounter someone, immediately isithunywa sakho comes and makes a whole conversation and a whole video and a whole telepathic merging of information. That means you're open up here. But tutoluguti omunye is open up here, but is very closed in the lower body. And in the lower body is closed because you had surgeries, or you had terminated pregnancies, or you had whatever. It's congested down there. Loyo muntu, who's very gifted up here and open and perceives and sees very deep things that are far away and long in the past and all of that, but akakwazi ngishukuthenga isinkwa, because their gut instinct is not clear, because their basic survival instincts are poor. The whole lower part, isithunywa cannot transmit through the lower parts of the body. So tshela mina ukuthi ukususa lowo muntu umise emfuleni, umise olwandle, umise embophomeni, uzobuya kwenzani? Because that person, yebo isithunywa sakhe is very broad and big and prophetizing all kinds of futures and pasts and everything else. Kodwa mase kuthiwa kufuneke yena stand on her own or his own 2 feet and do basic survival things, or have a relationship that's functioning, or be able to feed their children or do things that are basic things. Agasagwazi, it doesn't happen because isithunywa sakhe is not balanced in the lower part of themselves, and it's very open in the upper part, which is a very dangerous thing. Most gobelas injure their twasas these days, because umuntu wakhona will say ukuthi I'm your gobela, but I'm just dealing with idlozi lakho lobungoma. You can't separate idlozi lobungoma nesithunywa. They go together. Isithunywa is energy that you must deal with, because isithunywa kwesinye isikhathi yisona esivulele kakhulu kumuntu, bese sangoma sigcina sithi wena kahle hle unomoya wesithunywa kufanele uyokhonza kwaShembe, noma kufanele ungene esontweni lama whatever, noma kufanele kuye empuphumeni njani. Kanti the valves are opened by isangoma, the valves themselves ezivulela le moya engikhuluma ngayo from the bottom to the crown. Wena mawakwazi ukuvula from the bottom of the crown, musukumthinta lowo muntu, because you're as good as killing them. Uma ngabe uzomcobhozisa and just change this and that and do the mdawe this and that, and ushiye the gaping open person gaping open, ahlole kuze kungazi ukuthi ukhipha imfihlo, and you just keep telling them ukuthi wena you are highly gifted and idlozi lakho likhulu kwasha kwacima, but you are not engineering umoya wabo in the way that you are supposed to be engineering umoya wabo. And engineering is knowing ukuthi you open lo mgudu lo wokuqala, which is the channel of umdawe umdiki. Those are the male female energetic channels. Umdawe nomdiki uvula ngani? Uvula ngelokhuze ngenyongo yakhona. Adle futhi the medicine yakhona of that lower body medicine. Wenza njalo uvula umoya bese uconditiona umzimba. Impande iconditiona umzimba, and lenyo lelo gobongo lomdawo noma lomdiki usuyaphothula utshela umoya ukuthi okay, we are now over that stage, we're now getting into the next stage. Ungena ngafuthi kuloyo moya futhi uvule. There are 8 different moyas, valves okufanele uyivule. Le yesithunywa iyasala isikhathi esiningi ngoba abantu bacabanga ukuthi isithunywa sidinga inyongo, isithunywa sidinga ilokhuzana, igobongo, isithunywa sidinga isonto. And that's a complete ruining of people who have the power surging through them. But